We just checked out of Pop Century and we are now at Saratoga Springs. We are staying in a 1-bedroom villa, so let's go check it out. So as we walk in, we have this little entryway with a little table here. There's a door to the left for a conjoining room. This is a closet, but seems to be locked, so I don't know what's in there. We're greeted with some beautiful artwork of horses, and there's some Mickeys in the picture. Then you have the dining area. It's really nice. Has like this nice kind of booth looking bench.
Yeah, you got a bench on one end of it, and then you have a nice long table, padded chair on either end. So you know, you got a few people sitting around there eating breakfast, eating lunch, eating whatever meal you guys are doing at the time.
You have a nice chandelier up top. This is the dimmer for the light for the fan. This is the dimmer for the fan. You have a hidden Mickey in the mirrors above the bench. One right there. You have it's actually a full kitchen. So you have your sink. There's some storage under the sink with a garbage can and a fire extinguisher.
Some cleaning products up top. You got a little bit of dish soap, sponge. Is that dishwasher detergent?
I want to assume this is a garbage disposal.
Garbage disposal. You got your coffee maker with, you know, coffee, tea, sugar, coffee mix, things like that.
50th anniversary.
50th anniversary
decaf. Here's some tea. You have a dishwasher here. And it's a DVC room, so it comes with utensils.
You got plates, cups, mugs up here. So you got your little small plates and your coffee mugs there. Next one over here, you got plates, glasses. You got like a little serving platter up there. Actually, if you look inside the door here, they have a little inventory of everything that's there. So you got your flatware, your laundry area stuff, everything else that's there.
Look at that. More storage under here. Some pots.
Some more paper towels.
Paper towels. I think this is probably more silverware. Yep. You have a stove and an oven. Full-size microwave.
You got your toaster there, some pot holders. So yeah, it's more glasses here.
Full-size kitchen, full-size fridge and freezer.
Full-size fridge and freezer. You got ice cube trays in there if you want to make ice. I'm not sure what's up in these.
Do they open? I don't think so.
And coming right in here, you've got your TV. Right now, Resort TV's kind of messed up. I don't know what's going on with it. I guess the channel's a little.
It was messed up at Pop Century too.
Yeah. So you've got a nice big TV here. You've got storage space here. You don't want to put anything up there. USB outlets and regular 110 outlets. And then here you have a fold-out bed, a fold-out twin bed.
Oh, look at the background.
Of, you know, Goofy racing, Goofy on a racehorse in his little jockey outfit. Saratoga Springs, you know, very horse theme oriented.
This is like a twin size mattress, so probably good for like a child, maybe a short adult. Like I could probably sleep well on there. Then you have a couch with a little
lounge on the end. It's very nice. It's very comfortable. It's supportive. Even if you didn't want to pull the Murphy bed down, you could sleep on this and it'll still be pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
You've got a nice little coffee table here that folds up. Like a perfect height if you're like eating or having a cup of coffee in the morning, watching TV.
There's also room to put storage in there too, should you want to.
You can put stuff down there if you want. And then it just slides. So.
Oh, that's nice. So it moves easy, so you can get it out the way, so that you can pull down the Murphy bed.
So as we're about to show you, slide it out of the way, nice and easy. Grab one of these handles.
The couch folds into itself.
It's a little bit of.
And it opens up to a queen size Murphy bed. Look at that. Mickey and Minnie hanging out on the hammock.
Yeah, Donald and Daisy.
Donald and Daisy, Goofy up there, bird watching.
It's very nice.
On the sides, it's keeping up with the horse theme here. So you have a little horse statue, trophy looking decor thing there. And Mickey on the other side, because there is a golf course on the property here as well. Here has the enhanced cleaning, so it just shows you what's being cleaned in the room. Mousekeeping does not come every day like it used to. I believe it's every other day. So that just shows you what's been cleaned in the room.
On the deck or the balcony.
We're on the second floor, by the way.
Second floor of the what building?
The villas.
The villas.
In the spring section, I think. It's a nice view.
Nice view of the fountain there. Seems like a quiet.
I was gonna say, it seems, this area as well seems quiet. You have like a nice little walking path going past. A nice view of the fountain.
Couple chairs out here.
Yep.
With the SR on there for Saratoga Resort.
Oh, look at that.
Or SSR, I'm sorry, is the one in the middle. Saratoga Springs. Very nice, all-weather furniture.
Has like a nice little, it's like a window but not because it's open. So yeah, very nice private balcony. We're going to head to the back of the room. And since this is a DVC room, it also comes with your washer dryer with some laundry detergent and a nice little hamper as well. Oh, there's other bins in here.
Yeah, look at that.
Or does it collapse?
I think it's collapsible.
It's collapsible.
It's like a collapsible hamper.
I was gonna say, that's kind of small, but it's collapsible.
I don't know which way it goes, probably this way. There you go.
Oh, look at that.
That's good, doing all your clothes. Laundry like what you do right here.
Yep. Which is nice, you know, if you have a long vacation and you want to get some clothes washed before you go home, it's definitely nice to have this.
Unit.
Yeah, for sure. Coming into the bathroom, here's the first part of the bathroom. So you have your vanity and your mirror over here with some storage. The shower is a stand-in shower, so like a walk-in shower. With your H2O products mounted to the wall. They do not have the individual bottles you can take home. The waterfall shower head as well as a detachable shower head. And there's a little space in there for you to put some, you know, toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, shower, shaving cream, things like that. And here is the little toilet room. Oh, look at the little golden leaves.
Maple oak.
How New York, I'm screaming.
Yeah, I know.
I like how they fold the toilet paper into like a little triangle. It's cute. There's a door here that leads to the other part of the bathroom.
It's more like the master part of it.
Yes. So here's a tub. It's not one of those jet jacuzzi tubs, just a regular
nice deep tub.
Yep, with your bath soap, some extra towels.
Nice big vanity, marble countertops, big mirror. Got your makeup mirror right here.
Yeah.
Drawers for storage space. You got your blow dryer here. This one you've got nothing. It's, you know, storage space. In here you've got a nice big closet where we have our luggage right now. Fuse box.
Bob.
Wall safe. Yeah, Bob the balloon. Extra blanket, extra pillows, vacuum cleaner, hangers for all your clothes, ironing board. Like I said, nice big wall safe. Not big, but you know it's.
Let me see the wall safe.
I don't know if you'll be able to. Your suitcases in the way.
Oh yeah. I'm not a big fan of wall safes. Pop Century has a nice deep safe that's in the cabinet. So I'm not really a big fan of wall safes, but it's fine. Then we're gonna go into the master bedroom. Here you have a king size bed. The bed it's like raised off the floor, so you have room to store your luggage under there. 2 end tables.
I like that they don't match. Like there's one's a square on this end, one's round.
Yeah.
It's different, so there's room for it. You got your Bible in here. Nice padded headboard. You have all these nice little pictures that they kind of Disney-fied. Like you have Goofy over here, Mickey and Minnie racing on the horses, and it's all just, you know, reminiscent of Saratoga Springs Racetrack in New York.
The lamps are like tree branches, sticks, keeping up with the theme. They'll also have regular outlets and USBs in the lamps as well.
Got your room phone here. Plenty of pillows.
Nice little seat if you want to sit there.
Here.
The windows are nice and big.
They're very big. You have tons of natural
Brings
light
in
here.
a lot of light. And then you have a
fantastic.
nice big screen TV with some more storage.
You got your dresser here. So you've got tons of room in here, lots of drawer space. Like I said, it's tons of storage. If you're here for a while, you can definitely unpack, stretch your legs a little bit. Grow roots.
Yes. So for comparison, at Pop Century, they had a dresser below the television, but it only had 3 drawers, like 3 horizontal drawers that you pulled out, and then it had drawers that opened up like doors. The safe was in one of them, and then it had like shelves if you wanted to put some stuff in there. So this has more drawer storage than Pop Century for sure. This is one of the enhanced cleaning things. You see how the remote is wrapped in plastic and it has a sticker that says cleaned on it, showing you that the remote has been cleaned. And I think that's it for the room.
Oh, I meant to point out, notice the straps on the chandelier?
Oh, yes.
It's like leather horse straps for a harness or whatever. There's little details like that you get all over these rooms, and it's really great to see.
And look, they tucked the wire into
Through the
the strap so you don't really see
It's
it.
actually, it's real, it's leather, so it's actually really cool. Really nice room.
Yep, you got your smoke detector above the Murphy bed. Beautiful room. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful.
It's my first apartment.
That's our room here at Saratoga Springs. We're going to unpack, explore the resort a little bit before we head out to the parks. We're doing Animal Kingdom today, maybe Epcot, since Animal Kingdom closes at 8 and Epcot closes at 10. Magic Kingdom closes at 10. So, but we're going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow, so I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Let us know in the comments if you ever stayed here. What's your favorite thing about Saratoga Springs? This is our first time here, so we're really excited to roam around the resort, check it out, see what's some good food around here, and see if it's a resort that we would come back and stay in again. I mean, we're in a DVC room right now. We're not DVC, by the way, so you can stay in a DVC room and not be a DVC member. You're just paying money instead of using your DVC points. So yeah, that's our room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you later on in the parks. Bye.